In this video, we're going to be replacing the spare tire hoist on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. In the toolkit, we're going to take these pieces out, and then these two. And put these two ends together. And line this up. And now going counterclockwise, you can lower the spare tire. Now remove this centerpiece from the spare. You're just going to have to lift up the spare a little bit, slide this through, just like that. You need to remove this sleeve right here. You can use a pick, and there's two little spots where it's clipped in here. So if you just pull this back with a little pressure, you can get under this and then get under the other one. I'll just slide it back slightly. Just like that. It's not going to come out completely. We're just going to take a straight blade screwdriver or a prying tool and just get underneath this plastic piece right here. And you just want to pop this off, just like that. And you can move this to the side slightly. Using a 15mm socket, take this bolt out. Just take that bolt out, and you can tip this down. And it slides right out. Before we put the new one up, just take this tube, slide this out, and this little bracket we don't need because there's one on the new one. We can just slide this back in place, just like that. Now take the back part where there's a little lip. You want to slide that in place, and then take the bolt, get that started. You're going to make sure not to push that sleeve on yet. Just keep this out of the way. And tighten this bolt down. Now you just want to take this sleeve and just slide it over, just like that. And you can lock that in place. And now I'll lower this down. And you slide this up, slide that through the center of the spare tire. And now we can raise the spare tire. Try to keep it level as you're going up. Take the tools out, put that lock back in, close the door.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.